coughing has a significant impact to women with pelvic organ prolapse. Whether you have a cold, the flu, COVID, allergies, GERD, whatever's making you cough, know that there is an impact to that pelvic floor. And all you need to do to figure that out is to hold your hand down there while you're coughing, and you'll feel the pressure in your hand. I'd love to see more research in this space. What I suggest you do is bend at the waist, cross your legs. May work for you, may not, but it's worth a try. Give it a shot.